Hi guys, I am Mish from Morocco. I am there at Nanchang International Dragon Boat Race. Dragon boat racing is fun and exciting traditional of Chinese dragon boat festival. It's said to be Formula One on water. Let's go, you can see that. Let's go, let's go. That's right, follow me, follow me. Do you know, Chinese Dragon Boat Festival aims to show their respect to Qu Yuan, a great poet and politician of Qu state. He was a good and respected man, but because of the method of jealous rival, he fell into disfavor in the emperor courts. Over 2,000 years ago, after his hopes of saving the countries with dishes, he threw himself into the Milo River. Once he did this, the local people sailed into their boats to search for him, while throwing rice into the waters to feed the fish so they would not eat his body. Over time, this evolved into dragon boat racing and eating Zhaozi to commemorate his patriotism. Okay guys, you can see the fireworks. It looks so exciting here. Oh, they are catching up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on guys. Oh! Jayo, Jayo, Jayo! You can see the dragon boat is so popular. There is a lot of foreigners here. It's from Pakistan, from Germany. There is a lot of nations here actually. You can see that. Hey, hey, hey! Oh guys, tell us about your feelings.
Good. So tired.
So tired,
but
So interesting and exciting. You can see.
Oh yeah,
All
it's
of
so
us
fun.
Yeah,
Very exciting.
Next time I want to join you. Okay, teach me how. It looks so hard. 我爱划龙舟，我爱南昌，我爱江西，我爱中国。But hi, it's not just about races. Nanchang people, they really know how to eat and exploring. There is so much exploring. You can go. Follow me. Let's go. Guys, look what I found. Zongzi. It looks so delicious. It's good. How to? You can see, guys. This is Ma Qi Jing. It's gold. Before today, I thought the dragon boating is just a cool sport, but now I get the culture legacy behind it and the deep love the Chinese people have for their traditions. I'm glad to share the lively atmosphere of festival to you all. Wish you peace and health on the Dragon Boat Festival.